Seasonal cough during winter can be uncomfortable, often triggered by cold, dry air, or respiratory irritation. Here's a comprehensive approach to manage and relieve it effectively. 1. Keep the air moist. Why? Cold, dry air can irritate the respiratory tract and worsen the cough. Solutions: use a humidifier in your home, especially in the bedroom at night. Place a bowl of water near heaters to add moisture to the air. Clean the humidifier regularly to prevent mold and bacteria buildup. 2. Stay hydrated with warm fluids. Benefits: warm fluids help soothe the throat and keep the respiratory passages moist. Suggestions: herbal teas, ginger tea, anti-inflammatory, or peppermint tea, soothing. Warm soups. Chicken soup provides nutrients and boosts immunity. Honey lemon water, a natural remedy to hydrate and combat bacteria. 3. Try natural remedies. Honey. How to use: take a teaspoon of pure honey directly or mix it with warm water or tea. Honey forms a soothing coating over the throat, reducing irritation. Ginger. Preparation: boil fresh ginger slices in water for 10 minutes. Add lemon and honey for extra benefits. Ginger is known to reduce inflammation and calm airways. Steam inhalation. Why? Steam helps decongest nasal passages and soothes irritation. How to do it: boil water and add a few drops of eucalyptus or peppermint oil. Cover your head with a towel and inhale the steam for 10 minutes. 4. Avoid irritants. Why? Smoke, strong scents, and allergens can aggravate coughing. Tips: stay away from smoking or smoke-filled areas. Avoid strong air fresheners or incense if you're sensitive to them. 5. Pay attention to your diet. Foods that help: garlic and onions, natural antibacterial properties. Oranges and guava, rich in vitamin C to boost immunity. Whole grains and oats promote respiratory health. What to avoid: fatty, greasy foods that may increase throat inflammation. Sugary or cold beverages that can irritate the throat. 6. Gentle exercises and deep breathing. Why? Light exercises improve circulation and relieve congestion. Example: practice deep breathing or simple yoga exercises to enhance airflow in the lungs. 7. Rest and quality sleep. Importance of sleep. Sleep helps the body recover and strengthens the immune system. Tips: elevate your head slightly while sleeping using an extra pillow to reduce nighttime coughing. Ensure a warm, quiet, and cozy sleeping environment. 8. Use medical remedies if necessary. Over-the-counter options: cough syrups. Consult a doctor, especially for children. Mild pain relievers like paracetamol for throat discomfort. Nasal sprays to ease congestion. When to see a doctor: if the cough persists for more than 2 weeks, if accompanied by high fever, difficulty breathing, or blood and mucus. 9. Preventive measures. Cover your mouth and nose. Wear a scarf or mask when outdoors in cold weather. Practice hygiene. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water to prevent infections.